Hello everybody, my name is Sudhanshu Kumar. I am a farmer from a district called Samastipur, which is in Bihar. I am a postgraduate from Hansraj College, Delhi University. We are three brothers. Two of us are doing farming. One is an orthopedic surgeon. My son has just finished his final semester doing BTech IT from Manipal. My wife's a professor in English. Traditionally, we are a farming family. My father in the early 70s had a very modern seed processing plant, and he used to grow seeds for wheat and maize. My grandfather bought his first tractor, a Caterpillar, in 1952, and another tractor, a John Deere, in 1954. As a farmer, I understand the importance of technology in agriculture, and today as a farmer I would like to give you my view on GM technology. Invariably, whenever we talk about GM technology, we end up talking about BT cotton. This sort of regionalizes GM technology. We have to change this perception of farmers. We have to impress upon farmers that GM technology can be useful for every crop. It can do wonders no matter which crop we are doing. There is no doubt that in agriculture, tremendous amount of technology has come in. But without GM technology, it is like driving a modern car with wooden wheels. I as a farmer have always embraced technology. In this farm that I am standing in, we have complete automation of fertigation. My laptop is attached to my system. My mobile is attached to my laptop through TeamViewer. And no matter where I am, I can control the irrigation of this orchard. We have broadband right out here to the field. And we are talking to a company for farm ERP, electronic resource programming, because we want to do soil mapping by drone. We want to QR code all our trees. In fact, we are trying to use blockchain in our fruit supply. Even one of the farmers of this Pro Agri Science Association that we have has developed a robo-arm for picking cotton. Why am I saying all this? Technology, technology, technology. But no GM technology. GM technology is the silver bullet for the problems of farmers. Countries like Bangladesh have adopted BT brinjal. Countries in Africa, the governments have made bold decisions to go GM. They are trying to leapfrog and become one of the best agricultural countries. We are still lacking behind. And I would like to give you three examples of Bihar. From Bihar. Number one, I remember every household in Bihar always had at least 4 to 5, 6 papaya trees in the backyard. Today, you will not find a single papaya tree in Bihar. Some people who are trying to do it commercially fail after 12 months or 14 months because they can't get rid of the fungus in the soil. And what happens? Commercially viable, this wonderful fruit that can give a farmer such a good return, they cannot do it. And I know GM has a solution to this. My second example will be lentils. Bihar, this land both sides of the Ganga, the huge pulse growing area. Farmers have no other choice but to grow pulse. And the amount of fungicide, the amount of pesticides they use to get rid of this wilt and the pod borer worm. And still, after doing all that, they still get around 1/3 of the produce. And I know GM has a solution for this. If a solution to this could be taken out, I think Bihar will become self-sufficient in pulses. And why Bihar? I think we can supply whole of India with ample amount of pulse. Here, we need GM technology. My third example will be corn. We all know that Bihar is the largest supplier of Rabi corn in India. Just imagine with GM technology, the amount of input costs we could reduce. Weedicide, nitrogen, number of irrigation, the fallworm, which we've all experienced this year. And I know countries which are using GM corn, they have nothing to worry about the fallworm. So technically speaking, if we could get GM technology, at least in Bihar, it would change the face of agriculture. Why we waited so patiently for solutions? We've been given the multinational bogey that we'll lose control. But how long are we to wait? GM technology is the need of the hour. GM technology is a technology that is a must for farmers. We should demand GM technology. It's time the government gave us GM technology. Thank you.